Hi everyone, this is Diane from Owl's Treasures. Today I'm making a beer soap. Going to make, haven't really decided yet, 3 or 4 soaps made with different beers. This one is Corona Extra. So this is the Corona mixed with the lye and salt. It's going to automatically darken. There's a lot of sugars in beer, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to let it do its own thing. This will be a very quick soap. And today I'm out of gloves. Normally I wear gloves. I wear glasses. So stopped at the store and they were out. So that was not very helpful. So I'm just being very careful, but I wanted to get this soap made today. Alright, I'm going to pour this in. Not going to do anything special. All right, I'll let that set up for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm going to put a white layer on top for the foam and the beer. All right, the Corona soap has set up a little bit, so we're going to make the topping now. Just a very simple white. This is my lye water. By the way, the fragrance that I use for the beer scent is from Nature's Garden. It's just called Beer. Beer soap does thicken fairly quickly, especially once you add the scent. So you do want to be pretty quick and make it a fast soap. All right. All my cats are rescues in one way, shape, or form. A couple were ferals that showed up in my backyard, and now they're house cats. Everybody is fixed, so I don't have to worry about that. I also have a foster cat. He had a home. He was in a one-cat household. I don't know why they gave him up, but he was in the vet's office for almost a year and a half. So they asked me if I would take him. He's a little grumpy, but not too bad. So I took him, and pretty much the vet takes care of all his medical needs. So they wanted to make sure he had a good home. Right, well, this will sit for about 24 hours, and then we will unmold it and do the cutting for the Corona soap. I'm going to let that sit a little bit, texture the top just a little, so I will bring you back for that. Okay, this says set up a little bit. You don't always do a lot of texturing. On Beer soap. Sometimes I will whip the top and make it look a little more frothy. I don't like a lot of texture because when you pour a beer, there's not always a lot of texture. It just sits on top. So just like it to have a little bit of something. Alright, and that is about all I'm going to do. We'll let this sit up a little for 24 hours or so, and then we will be back for the cutting. Messy. Thank you for joining me, and we'll be back for the cut. All right, This is the Corona. Should darken a little bit, but we'll see. I won't show the cutting of the whole silk because pretty much all looks the same, so that would be rather boring. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe. If you want to be notified, hit the bell, please. And other than that, have a great day.